Good morning, dear students. As we already learned in previous lessons about animals, kind, and different qualities of animals, so today in this chapter we will learn about animals' sound. So, our new chapter, chapter number 5, is sounds of different animals. Do you know, students, even the birds and animals having their own way to talking and communicating with each other? Yes, it's true. Yes, dear friends, students, the kingdom of animal is fascinating. Now, I am going to telling you about sounds of some different animals. Dear student, as we know that we can speak because of the voice box present in our neck called larynx. The animals also have sound box and they can also produce sounds. We know that different animals have different sounds, like a honeybee makes a buzz sound. A camel makes a grunt sound. Like that, a bat makes a screech sound. So like that, we can see in these pictures also, here are so many pictures of different animals having different sounds, like a goat bleats, a horse neighs, a dog barks, a cat mews, a monkey chatters, a crow caws, and a cow moos. So, dear students, now we come to know that each and every animal has its own sound. Let's revise it again through this activity. You have to match the sounds of animals with them. First of all, it's dog. So, dog sound is barks. Cat sound is mews. Horse sound is neighs. And last, goat sound is bleats. Dear students, hope you understand this topic in a very clear way now. Students, here I am sending you a worksheet. You have to do it in your GK notebook in a very clear writing and learn it also. Students, this is the worksheet which you have to do in your notebook in a very clear writing. Thank you.